Hi everyone, my name is Eduardo Pescari. I am the coordinator of the project Astronomy and Science Education in Remote Honduras. Rincón is a community of 100 people located in the mountainous region of southwest Honduras, roughly 4.5 hours from the capital city, Tegucigalpa. Residents live in condition of poverty and with little access to education, and nearly all families work on coffee fields. This includes children who are expected to help their families from an early age. Oved Lopez is a teacher and lives in the community, and for years he has been implementing innovative educational practices. He is the one holding a laptop in the picture to the right. That's the picture of a project team. Together, we organized an educational program that consists of science workshops delivered both in person and online, open discussions and reflection of the community, an excursion to the Astronomical Observatory at the National Autonomous University of Honduras, or UNA, in Tegucigalpa. And we've been providing tech and infrastructure support, including laptops, contribution to Wi-Fi connectivity, electricity expenses, and more. This is a list of our activities delivered throughout 2024. We started with an in-person visit, and we had 4 of them. The first one was about chemistry of the soil and modern agricultural practices, because we thought it was a good way to connect with the community since they are farmers. And then we explore other topics, including Mayan and cultural astronomy. We had 6 online talks, sun and solar layers, the scientific method in galaxies, black holes, and so on. We finished with programming principles. For each activity, we try to organize practical activities to support it. For example, here, this is the talk on sun and solar layers, and we got the kids and adults to recreate a model of the interior of the sun using Play-Doh. These were monthly activities, and in between, we organized 2 study circles for the community to discuss and reflect on what they learned in previous weeks and to give us feedback. And we finished the program with the excursion to the UNA. Results, besides providing access to new and educational content and concepts to the community, we were very pleased to see consistent participation of the community throughout the year. And this was due to a serious factor, the fact that we had someone in the community working with them and engaging them, but also the fact that we had some adults participating in the program. We had 8 adults and 22 children. And this created a sort of a mutual collaboration towards the educational growth of both the community, but also of the project team, because we were learning at the same time how to best engage with the participants. For me, the most important result was the opportunity to inspire children and adults to keep exploring their interests and to progress in their educational trajectory. Providing experiences otherwise not accessible. For example, when we went to Tegucigalpa to visit the Astronomical Observatory, it was the first time in the capital for some of the participants. It was good to gather some support from local entities along the way. And this was a trial of an engagement model that can be replicated. Challenges. The main challenge is that without a local presence in the community, the project would have never been as successful. You can see Oved here again on the right in the picture, picking up a projector for the community a few days ago to continue delivering educational activities and organizing educational activities for the community. So the challenge is, how do we scale it up? How do we find someone in different communities doing the work that Oved does with this community, with Rincón? How do we secure ongoing funding to support this? So in summary, how do we replicate it? Next steps. The community is keen to continue learning. We had good feedback, and so we are now thinking about organizing a series on programming and data science. Thank you very much.